Hi everyone, welcome to Imaging Study YouTube channel. Today we are going to see a case of normal vermiform appendix. Normal vermiform appendix is usually not visualized on ultrasound. If you check carefully, then you can get it in some cases. So today I'm going to show you one of them. Young male patient came with non-specific abdominal pain. On ultrasound, large organs appear normal. Right iliac fossa shows a blind-ended tubular compressible structure with luminal echogenic gas. The structure is connected to adjacent caecum. The highest diameter of the structure was 4 mm, which excludes the acute appendicitis. Here you can see the tubular blind-ended structure at the right iliac fossa. The diameter measures about 3.7 and 4 mm from different area. Here on this picture, you also can see the vermiform appendix. This part is actually the caecum. On real time, you can see the blind-ended tubular structure. One end is connected to the caecum. The gut signature is present. The appendix is compressible. No periappendiceal collection or fatty adhesion is seen. Adjacent bowel motility appears normal. It's quite rare to get a normal vermiform appendix visualized on high-frequency ultrasound in routine practice, but if you search for it, then you can get sometimes. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Have a nice day.